Away they go. Monte Napoleone in a knee-jerking beginning, followed by Musashi. Boy, pick up is racing in third, running in fourth by about 2 lengths. Keyboard, Magic Chant, and Anna Divine is the tail ender. Passing the last 900, Monte Napoleone by about 2 lengths. Boy, pick up is racing on the outside, moving up in between runners is Keyboy, and rounding the far turn, Monte Napoleone by about 2 lengths, followed by Boy, pick up. Keyboy is running by the Magic Chant, Musashi, Anna Divine still the tail ender as they swing for home. Monte Napoleone increasing its marker to about 4 lengths. Keyboy is now running in second. Boy, pick up and Musashi, and nearing the finish line. It's a scintillating run coming from the favorite Monte Napoleone. Keyboy, Musashi, Magic Chant, Boy, pick up, and Anna Divine completing the cast of this